2017 Hyundai Santa Fe SE. It offers a comfortable 7 seats configuration with leather covering plus 7-inch touchscreen. Powered by a 3.3-liter 6-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, plus it's an automatic car. And the starting price is $8,500 only. 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited features a spacious 5-seat configuration with a premium leather covering plus 12.3-inch touchscreen. This car has only traveled around 42,000 miles and the starting price is $46,500. 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250. It features seatings up to 5 passengers with high-quality leather plus 10.25-inch touchscreen. 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, plus it's an automatic car. This car has only traveled around 30,000 miles and the starting price is $46,500.